Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In the last class, we have learned some of tags of HTML. They are headers, doc type, underline, line break, and some text form. So today we are going to learn some more tags. So let's start our class. So guys, here is the topics that we are going to discuss. First one, the code comments and three types of links called some general links, internal links, and relative links. It means that relative links, it means linking to another HTML page. So and the last one is image link. So we'll start with code comments in Visual Studio and create a new file name as code comments dot html. So after this we should write the syntax like the less than symbol and exclamatory mark hyphen. After this write some content and hyphen and close this symbol like greater than symbol. So here we can see it's showing some green color text. It's called comment and it does not execute and does not show in output. So open this output. Yeah, we can see here it's not showing the comment. So click left button and press view source code. Here we can see the line of comment. So this is comments. Okay, the second one is links. So we'll start with links. Actually all the links are same, but small differences there. So first one, the links. Open Visual Studio and the link will be right with the anchor tag. So the anchor tag will be represented with a small a. So let's write this small a and h reference. Here h reference is the tag which is going to oh, what you want to display, what link want to you display, what website you want to display. We have to write here. So uh, copy this link YouTube and come to Visual Studio and paste here and close this tag. And we should write here YouTube. So the YouTube this text will be display in the output, and in the output we should press on this YouTube. So we will the output will be shown this YouTube. Okay, let's try this. Open in default browser. Okay, we can see here the link is showing with the text YouTube. So open this. Yeah, we can see here the YouTube was open. So this is called the normal general link. So coming to next one, internal links. Internal links are like when we press a link in a website, so it will be shown the output in the same website itself. Yeah, we can see. I will show the example. Open this. Okay, here we can write. Guys, you can see here I'm writing h reference hashtag bottom and bottom, hashtag middle and middle. So what I'm going to say is, so I'm writing some content. This is the content. Okay, so I'm writing id equal to middle. So here is the middle and I'm going to write here is the id middle. So this is the middle. Okay, and again I'm writing here id equal to bottom and this is the bottom. So when we press this link, this bottom link, it will be show bottom of the content. This will be shown. Okay, and when we'll press this link middle, it will be show this content, because we are connecting with id middle is equal to hrefs middle. So the id will be represent with the hashtag. Okay, this hashtag is equal to this id. Okay, and this one, this hashtag bottom is equal to this one. Okay, let's start. Let's see the output. Open default browser. Okay, here is the content. We can see this is the content which will be written inside the paragraph tag. So when we press this bottom, it will be show bottom of the content. Okay, let's try this. Okay, you can see here, this is the content it was shown, and when we press this middle, it will be shown middle of the content. Yeah, we can see here. So this is a content, this is a middle content, and this is a bottom. Yeah, understood? Okay, let's start with the new one, relative tags. So the relative tags, it means linking with one HTML website to another HTML website. Okay, let's start this. So open Visual Studio and create one folder and write relative links.html. Okay, we can write here the relative links like with the anchor tag only. So h reference equal to, so here we should write the another website link. So what we are going to open the website, so what should you are going to open your website? So here I'm going to open this one, index.html website. So when we press this link, the index.html will be open. Okay, write one, index.html. Okay, close this one. So index web page. Okay, what is output? Yeah, here is the link. When we press this link, it will be open our index.html page. Okay, yeah, you can see here. Okay, you understood? Guys, the last topic of the today's class is images. So first of all, open the Visual Studio and create one file with the image and extension of HTML. Okay, first of all we should write the image syntax. So it will start with img and src, it means source. So we should write the source from the so write the source of the image. Open Chrome. So copy this image address and paste here. Okay, close the image tag and see the output. Yeah, we can see here the elephant image. So we can adjust the height and width also. It will be written inside the image tag. Height equal to 200 and space width equal to 300. Okay, let's refresh this. Control R. Okay, the width will be 300, so the height will be 200. So this is the image tag. Okay, bye guys, let's see in the next video.